In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy an eSIM via Agoda. By the end of this guide, you'll be fully equipped to purchase and install eSIM for your travels in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First, open up your preferred web browser. It doesn't matter whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other option, they all serve the same purpose here. In your browser's search bar, type in Agoda and hit Enter. You should see Agoda's official website right at the top of the search results list, which is where we want to go. Once you're on Agoda's homepage, the next step is logging into your account. If you don't already have one, you'll need to create a new account, which only takes a few minutes. Look for the Login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your login credentials or follow the prompts to create a new account if necessary. With your account now logged in on Agoda, we can move to the eSIM options. Agoda offers eSIM options that cater to a variety of needs. You should take a moment to familiarize yourself with these offerings. Navigating to the eSIM section is typically straightforward. There might be a dedicated tab or link labeled eSIM, or it could be under categories such as Travel Essentials or Connectivity. If you're unable to locate it right away, try using the search function on Agoda by typing eSIM. This can quickly direct you to the relevant section. Now that you've found the eSIM options, you'll want to browse the available plans. Purchasing the right eSIM plan is crucial as it ensures you have the coverage and data capacity you need for your travels. Consider your travel destination, the duration of your stay, and how much data you might need to stay connected during your trip. Agoda often details these specifics clearly, so read the descriptions carefully. Pick the plan that aligns best with your travel itinerary and communication needs. Once you've made your selection, it's time to complete the purchase process. Agoda should guide you through this stage with clear instructions. It's similar to other online purchases. You'll need to confirm your selected plan and then proceed to payment. Make sure to double-check the details of the plan before finalizing your purchase. After your purchase, you'll receive important information, often including a QR code, either via email or directly accessible from the Agoda platform. This is your cue to set up the eSIM. Follow the instructions provided, which typically involves scanning the QR code with your smartphone to install the eSIM. This process is designed to be user-friendly, but do ensure that your device is compatible with eSIM technology beforehand. That's it! You've successfully navigated through buying an eSIM via Agoda. Enjoy your travels with the convenience and reliability of staying connected through an eSIM. Thank you for watching, and happy travels.